Hey traders, if you're searching for a reliable and low-cost Forex broker, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain why Fusion Markets is considered one of the best Forex brokers in the world, especially for those who want maximum value with minimum fees. And just a quick reminder, official links to Fusion Markets, IC Markets, Exness, and Bybit are available in the description. Always make sure you're on the real site to avoid scams. Let's get started. First up, trusted and regulated. Now let's talk about trust and regulation, because your broker's credibility really matters. Fusion Markets operates under strict regulatory oversight in multiple jurisdictions. In Seychelles, Fusion Markets International is registered as a securities dealer, regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles under license number SD096. In Vanuatu, Fusion Markets is also registered as Gleneagle Securities Pty Limited, regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, with company number 40,256. These licenses ensure that Fusion Markets follows global financial standards, maintains transparency, and protects client funds, giving you peace of mind when trading. Quick and easy, setup account creation is super fast. Just upload your ID, fill out a few details, and you can be trading in just a few hours, sometimes even less. Want help? I've linked a full Fusion Markets account setup tutorial in the description. Low spread spreads. Fusion Markets offers spreads starting from 0 pips on major Forex pairs. That means lower trading costs and more money left in your account with every trade. Industry low commissions. And it gets even better. Fusion charges some of the lowest commissions in the industry, only $2.25 per lot per side on the 0 account. That's less than what most top brokers charge, making it a real cost saver over time. Pro trading platforms. You can trade on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, all professional-grade platforms that offer fast execution, expert advisors, and powerful charting tools. No fees on deposits and all payment methods. Here's another reason traders love Fusion Markets. 0 fees on deposits. That's right, you can fund your account without worrying about hidden charges or deductions. Fusion supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, e-wallets like Skrill, and Neteller cryptocurrency deposits via trusted payment gateways. And when it's time to withdraw your profits, the process is just as smooth with fast processing and no unnecessary delays. Whether you're depositing or withdrawing, Fusion makes it simple, transparent, and cost-effective. Global access, local support. Fusion Markets is a truly global broker, welcoming traders from all around the world. Whether you're trading from Asia, Africa, Europe, or beyond, you'll enjoy smooth access to their platform and services. And if you ever need help, Fusion offers friendly and responsive customer support, available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, through live chat, email, or phone. Wherever you are, you're never trading alone, for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're brand new or highly experienced, Fusion Markets offers everything you need, including advanced tools and free education to sharpen your skills. So, low spreads, cheap commissions, professional platforms, and fast setup. It's no wonder Fusion Markets is one of the top picks for Forex traders worldwide. Check the description for official links to Fusion Markets, IC Markets, Exness, and Bybit. And if you're ready to get started, watch the account creation videos linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.